Hi, this is Sohail from EPR Magazine, and we are here at Intersolar Expo at the Sunbond Energy booth. We have Mr. Darsh, he's the CPO of the company. We will try to understand what Sunbond Energy has for the market. Okay, sir, I just want to understand how far Sunbond Energy have reached.
Sir, if I say we have started our first unit on 2021. We have started at that time with a capacity of 60 megawatt. At that time, we are producing poly technology. After that, we had done our first expansion on the same premises with 300. At that time, we have reached 300 megawatt capacity, and over there we are producing monofac technology. Right now, we are expanded add 800 megawatt capacity in the another premises. Over there, we are producing top-one technology, glass to glass.
Okay, sir, if I ask you, what is your take on new innovations in the solar panel industry?
Okay. Regarding to new innovations, we are currently selling out latest technology in the market of TOPCon. We are selling all three models: 𝗔12, 𝗔12R, and M10R.
In this event, particularly if I ask, what are you showcasing?
So in this event, we are mainly showcasing our. We have to show we have started our new line, and over there we are producing all three latest technologies for 𝗔12 up to 735 watt peaks. For 𝗔12R up to 625 watt peaks, and for M10R up to 595 watt peaks. So right now we are here to showcasing our new plant and our new technologies with the AI based.
Okay, can you brief us about that?
Sir, we have already showcased on our new plant. We have set up the in-house reliability lab.
Okay.
Over there we are testing our modules also, and we are also testing for the materials also, which we are using for the assembly of the module.
Okay.
And regarding the AI based technology of our new plant, we are also showcasing about that. We have many of the quality criteria which are done by the AI based technology.